This video is about how to play 12-bar blues, specifically a little tune I composed called Black Key Blues. I'll play the piece first, then we'll talk about it. So here goes. That's the short version. There's a lot more one can do with it, but I'm sticking with that for the moment. Now, in this video, I'm just going to talk about the left hand. I might talk about the right hand in another video, but this left hand follows a very common blues bass line that you get a lot in blues piano. For that reason, it's really useful. It's useful to learn not just to play this particular tune, but it will be useful for you in playing a lot of other things. Not always in this key, but the pattern is quite common. Now, if I play that beginning, well, I'll play the first 4 bars. Now, what I want you to focus on is the lowest note, which is the real bass note. I'm playing it with my 5th finger. Now, I basically do this sort of pattern in 3 different positions, with my 5th finger on E flat, with my 5th finger on A flat, and just once in this version with my 5th finger on B flat. Okay, so those are our 3 bass notes: E flat, A flat, and B flat. Now, I'm not going to keep calling them that. I'm going to call them 1, 4, and 5. I'm not going to explain in detail why, but basically it's to do with the chords that you use in a piece like this. Chord 1, chord 4, and chord 5. So basically they're the 1st, 4th, and 5th notes of that particular scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1 again. So 1, 4, 5. Okay, so first of all, be clear about which is which. That's 1, that's 4, and that's 5. Now, I'm now going to do the complete bass line, but without the upper notes. So I'm just going to be playing those notes. And there's a particular order. So it's 12 bars. A bar is 4 beats, and I play once on every beat until bar 12 when I just hold the note. So 12 bars, and the first 4 bars are so that's 1 bar of 1, 1 of 4, and 2 more bars of 1. So it's 1, 4, 1, 1. The second 4 bars, that's bars number 5 to 8, are 4, 4, 1, 1. So it's 2 bars of 4, 3, second bar, and 2 bars of 1. And then the last 4 bars, that's bars 9 to 12, are 1 bar of 5, 1 bar of 4, and again 2 bars of 1. And on that last bar, instead of playing 4 times, I just hold the note. Now that means if you were to write out that sequence in 3 lines of 4 bars each, it will be 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 5, 4, 1, 1. Can you see the pattern there? It's only the first of each 4-bar line that's different. So it's 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 5, 4, 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1. I won't do it like that. I'll do the 4 bars. I'll do the whole thing once more. 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 5, 4, 1, 1. That's the 12 bars. Okay, now let's look at what I do with my thumb above that. Now I tend to use my thumb on all the upper notes. You can use your thumb and your second finger if you like. Some people like to do that. For now I will use my thumb. So on every beat in the left hand, every note, I'm using 1 and 5, and I'm moving the thumb to different notes. So this is the pattern for chord 1. That's 4 beats, that's 1 bar. So my thumb is playing B flat, C, D flat, C. So a bar on chord 1 is this. Okay. On chord 4, it's exactly the same pattern. It should feel exactly the same, just in a different place. So my little finger's on A flat, my thumb is now on E flat, then it goes to F, G flat, F. So again, the thumb is going black, white, black, white. Physically exactly the same as the first one, but in a different place on the piano. The pattern on chord 5 is slightly different because the thumb plays 2 white notes. So my little finger's on B flat for chord 5. The thumb now goes F, G, A flat, G. So slightly different physically because I'm playing 2 white notes. Instead of going black, white, black, I'm going white, white, black. Okay. So once again, here's chord 1. Here's chord 4. And here's chord 5. Now, it's fairly easy to master each of those patterns. The hardest thing is when you have to change position, you move your hand. Because you have to move it. It comes with practice. It's not really difficult, but it takes a few goes. Not only do you have to move your hand, you'll find that you have to sort of adjust your fingers, because each pattern, for instance, when I go from 4 to 1, my last beat on 4 is that. And then I have to go down there and I have to close in my fingers a little bit. Okay. Anyway, I will now play the complete sequence. So remember, it's in terms of bars, it's 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 5, 4, 1, 1. So here goes. Okay. 1, 4, 1, 1 again. 4, 4, 1, 1, 5, 4, 1. And that's our basic left hand, and that's one form only of a 12-bar blues sequence, but it's a very common one. Really useful to master that. So have another look through this video, pause the video whenever you want to try something out, and have a go at it and practice it. And in a separate video I'll show you what I did with my right hand, but that's all on this one.